In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple and clear way to embed videos in your Substack posts. First, open your Substack dashboard and click on Create New at the top left, then choose Text Post. Here, you can add a catchy title and, if you'd like, include a subtitle to give your readers some context. To embed your video, just paste your YouTube or Vimeo link directly into the body of the post. Substack automatically detects supported links and instantly embeds the video for you. Make sure the link is correct and from a supported platform for smooth playback. After that, click Continue to open your post settings, where you can choose whether the post should be public or visible only to paid subscribers. You can also enable or disable comments here and add relevant tags to help readers find your post more easily. If you're not ready to publish yet, use the scheduling option to set a specific time for the post to go live. Once everything looks good, click Send to Everyone Now to publish your post with the embedded video. And that's all it takes to add videos to your Substack posts. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy guides like this.